If you're looking to ditch your factory plastic rear bumper in your JK Wrangler, today we're going to be checking out the Smittybilt SRC Gen2 Rear Bumper fitting your 07 to 18 JK Wrangler. This Smittybilt SRC Gen2 Rear Bumper features a durable 3/16" cold rolled steel construction with a crinkle coat powder coat to finish it off. Features stainless steel accents on the top and even tubes that wrap around the corner. This bumper is going to be tire carrier compatible, as well as allowing you to mount D-rings and even have high lift jacking points on the rear. It includes 2 reverse lights with all the wiring harness, including a switch to get it wired up into your rig. All the bracketry and everything necessary to get it bolted up is completely included. Now you can find this rear bumper as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.